Hello everyone, good morning. So today is February 15 and it's quite cloudy. Actually, it's raining here in my area in Silang, Cavite. And as you can see in the video, it's quite foggy. And since yesterday, February 14, until today, it was raining. And my succulent is totally wet for 2 days. I think it would still rain the whole day today. So I'm not so sure if there's storm. Look, it's foggy, right? But not so. So I just want to go around my succulent here in the veranda area to check on them while the rain just stopped, although it's still drizzling. Actually, it's also good that they got rain, but I'm hoping that it should only be 1 day. So I'm hoping the sun will show up today. But I think it will not show up today. Yeah. So far they are okay. So look how pretty is our amazing grace. Yeah. So our Astrophyte mysterious, the big one, the cactus, are okay. And look, it turns into green already. Before it was brown. That's how I do water propagation. Soon I can pot it already. So on the next table, I have here my pink puppet. Look how pretty. Yeah, so far they are all okay. And of course, our beautiful Romeo, as well as the beauty lily. And look how pretty is the arce with the water droplets. Very pretty. As well as our cream puff and our lush cheesecake, our erupe, another pot of cheesecake, our winter jasmine, but our Nina is not looking good. Yeah, let's remove this one. The masculine. Yeah. But on this side, they are okay. Look how pretty is the Marilyn and our Benimusume. Yeah. But I have also sent you, so there are 3 pots of our Astrophytomaceae that did not make it. Yeah, because of too much rain they got yesterday and last night. So what happened is that actually those astrocardium materials are really soft already. So, but when I check on them, they are already rotten. So this is how it looked like. The other part is still here. So I wanted to show it to you. That's why. So like that. So it's because it was just started, the roots are still growing, and then they were able to get lots of water because of the heavy rain. So they were not able to survive because they cannot take in the too much water they got. So it's okay. I just going to replace it with the propagation cactus that I have. So I love the how does these are to look like. So let's see the other. We have the Orion, our Equivir silk whale, blue cows, Nevada, Laos, Mule, look our Equidor silk there and our Chloe, and of course our pretty and colorful succulent. So they are still pretty. I just hope that nothing will rot today except the sad news that 3 of our Asophytum asterias rot. Well, there are still lots of beautiful succulents here that can make us smile. So I think a flower is coming out. I want to remove it. So this is our sedum clavatus, our wedding ring, and agave glass. Look how pretty. So our headpad is there. On this side, they are okay too. Yeah. And our Arun Pay, it's, when you look at in person, the water on the rosette. It looked like sparkling diamond. Yeah, it's really pretty. And our sedum clavatum is very happy to receive the rain. Yeah, I hope this spot and this spot will grow lush. So far, they are all okay. Our Chloe, look, oh, it's like a crystal, right? So we have our Marthy, our Tinkerbell, and our Hobbit ear. So let's remove some marshal leaves. So it's recovering, and I can see some growth. And look how pretty our Shadieta with the sparkling water. It's very nice. Look like a diamond. Yeah. Our Marcus, even our Murasaki, our Purple Haze. Okay, they are okay on this side. They are okay, except for this one. Let's remove the leaves that cannot be removed yet. So look at this. The neon tips shows and our love and war, but the other one is getting color green already. So the other one is still red, so lovely to look at. And our orange gymnocalcium is still orange in color, yeah. This one is still hydrated. In fact, that is being wet by the rain. So our Orion, our blue cloud, here one. So look how pretty is our latte. And on this side, our cactus is okay, but our sedum adolphi some has rotten, but it's okay. The leaf will give us offset, hopefully. It's fine because adolphi is easy to grow. So far, they are okay. Yeah, these are our propagation path. Because of the rain, some of the rosette tumbled down. So look, it has roots already. There. So let's just put it there. And our purple delight, but one rosette did not make it, but I think there's baby coming out from the leaf. And I think they are okay. There are weeds growing on the part of the propagation of our Mendoza, so let's just remove it. And there's weeds also in the mirror. So look how wet they are. I hope the sun will show up later. Yeah. So even though they are newly propagated, stem cutting, no roots, they are still okay. Yeah. So on this side, we are still okay. So my video today is just an update after the rain. So I hope you guys have a great day celebrating the Valentine's Day. Yeah, look, oh, they are so pretty with the water on their set, especially this one. It's like crystals, right? So me, I just celebrated my Valentine's Day here in the house together with my kids. Yeah. So traffic to go out, so I just cooked for them. We had lunch and dinner together. So far, they are okay. So for some pots here that the succulent was not able to survive, I just replace it just like this one. It's a topsy-turvy, but it's a propagation. So propagating your succulent is really important so that whenever one of your pot or one of your succulent died and there's an empty pot, you can easily replace it with your propagation. So that's why I always propagate my succulent through stem cutting, which is my favorite way of propagating them. So I replaced the psych already with this Agavoid blush. Look how pretty. Yeah. And look how stunning is our Hera. So far, I can say they are all okay. Yeah. Except for the 3 pots of Asphaetum asterias. Well, plants come and go. So we cannot do anything about it. So we just hope. So I was not really expecting that it will rain for yesterday, and it was really actually February 13, nighttime it was raining already, and then February 14, the whole day yesterday it was really raining hard. I thought there's a storm, but I'm not so sure. But I haven't watched news this past day. So our Equivir and our Novella, they are okay. So I just hope the sun will show up. But look how foggy it is and how cloudy. There's no sun. There's no sign of sun that will come out today. So anyway, we cannot do anything. That's nature. So rain is always a blessing for the plants. I just hope they can dry up quickly. That's why it's also important to always make your soil mix drainable because weather nowadays are really very unpredictable. Yeah. So if you can hear some barking that's coming from my neighbor's dog, sorry. So I was doing the voiceover while I'm doing the vlog so I can save time because editing the video is really time taking too. So I do it at the same time. So I would like to apologize if you have heard some noise, just like barking of the dogs. So it's unavoidable. So I guess they are all okay. Even this rock of our propagation, yeah. I don't see any casualty. Our alleys there are okay, yeah. Very colorful. And they are okay there too. Our propagation plots. And this table of ours. Let's see how pretty they are. This is our pot stick, our firestone, beauty lily, laot, venemusume. This is our tipi, Laura, Bianca. I must, I will say Laura again. There's no Laura in my card. I always say that mistake. I don't know why I always mention Laura. Our Jesus, yeah. Our snow bunny, venemusume, Bianca, dark eyes, Donicius, Howard Gajuoto, Rubidana. Look how pretty this one. Pieces and our missing you, our tree plant. It's a gift from my friend, Sis Jeremy. Hi, Sis Jeremy. I miss you. And this is our Bianca. Look how pretty, wet by the rain. And the aloes that I'm going to donate in the school is still here. I will be bringing this in school, I think on Feb 27 or 26. So my propagation pots are okay there. So, and my titubats, variegated titubats are still okay. Yeah. So I cannot go near that. So I just zoomed the video because the pots are here. I cannot go near. So on this side, the propagation of mandacy, the cactus and one aloe, they are all okay. Yeah. So I would also be going down in the garage area to give you an update on the succulents there that I have potted. to check if they are okay. So let's go down. But let me remove the flower stalk here first. So I don't like flower stalk because they invite aphids most of the time, as well as mealybugs. So sometimes when they give flowers, the rosette is also get ruined, the form of the echeveria. So let's go down to my garage area to take a look at the newly potted succulents there. So let's go. See you in a while. I wanted to give an update also on the newly potted succulents. Unfortunately, they are not supposed to be wet, but they were placed here at the edge of this table. And since rain was quite strong and it comes with wind, the pot has been wet, so they are totally soaked with water. So I'm just praying and hoping that they will not rot because they don't have roots. I don't know what will they cannot absorb the water that is already in their soil mix. As of now, after a day and it's still raining now, they are still okay, yeah. So I'm hoping it will not rot. So please, please, please stay with me. So there. So I moved it from there to here on the other end of the table so it won't get wet. But still last night it still get wet. So let's just hope and pray that they can survive. And but the pot is still heavy, which signifies that the soil mix is really totally soaked in water. So that's my update. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now and have a nice day. God bless everyone. Happy gardening. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.